Hello everyone and welcome to A2 week 14. This is the second weekly review of unit 4 from the course. Así que es la segunda semana, el segundo resumen sobre el tema 4, vacaciones, los viajes y los medios de transporte. Hay que recordar que tenemos clase todos los viernes a la 1 y también a las 4. Las clases se graban para que las podamos revisar en la plataforma. So we have class every Friday at 1 o'clock and at 4 o'clock. Classes are recorded so that we can review them later. Today we're going to be looking at advice. We will be looking at modal verbs for advice. So what do we use advice for? We use advice to say what is a good idea to do. For example, you should learn English every day. Should is a modal verb, which is deberías aprender inglés todos los días. So we use should to express this. You can also use had better. You had better learn English todos los días, every day. Es lo mismo. Deberías aprender inglés every day, todos los días. Now, final one. It is a good idea to learn English every day. Es buena idea aprender inglés todos los días. So basically, these are different ways to express should, lo que deberías hacer, advice. Basically, should is a modal verb. It's the same as will, would. Después de should, siempre pones el verbo sin to. Now, what should you be doing? We need to practice speaking using modal verbs. For example, would. Would es un modal verb que hemos visto antes, en plan, ¿te gustaría hacer algo? It's a synonym of do you want? Are you eager? Si te gustaría hacer algo, si quieres hacer algo. We use would you like to ask about desires in the future. Así que would you like es una expresión que hemos visto muchas veces y es una muy común que utilizamos con un verbo modal. Decimos would you like y no would you to like. Para responder, simplemente respondemos con would. Yes, I would. No, I wouldn't. Nota que no pronunciamos la L. No es would, ni should, ni could. Las palabras que acaban en O-U-L-T se pronuncia would, would, could, should. So let's take a look at number 1. Would you like to go to the UK? Quiero que pongas el video en pausa y respondes a la pregunta. Yes, I would. No, I wouldn't. Very good. Would you like to go to the USA? Very good. Would you like to go to Australia? Very good. Would you like to go to the beach? Very good. Would you like to go to the mountains? Very good. Would you like to go to a city? Very good. Would you like to go to a town? Very good. Would you like to go abroad? Very good. So you answer with the auxiliary verb. Would you like? Yes, I would. No, I wouldn't. Para dar una respuesta más elaborada, más larga, simplemente repites la misma estructura. Yes, I would like to go to the UK. Y así respondemos de forma más bien nivel B1. En la pregunta debes extraer el vocabulario, cosas como town, city, mountains, beach, abroad, al extranjero, abroad, and use them in conversations. Now, remember, with modal verbs, when we use modal verbs, we use them plus the bare infinitive. So we use the modal verb should plus the bare infinitive. Bare infinitive is el verbo sin to, sin ing, el verbo sin más. For example, you should take a break. You should listen to English music. You should visit the UK. You should read in English. You should come to English class. Así que utilizamos should, pero también puedes utilizar los sinónimos. You had better take a break. You had better listen to English music. You had better visit the UK. You had better read in English. You had better come to English class. Así que utilizamos should o had better más per infinitive, en plan el verbo es un más, para expresar un consejo. Son iguales, significan deberías, te conviene hacerlo. What we're going to do is review this grammar. So, what we have is a grammar exercise. You need to look at the phrases and you need to fill in the gap with should or had better. So we use in the gaps should or had. Should or had. Should y had better son iguales, pero no puedes decir should better, por lo cual sería had better. So, can you please put the video in pause and fill in the gap with should or had? Pones el video en pause, rellenas el hueco con should or had. Okay, fantastic. Now, let's take a look at some answers. Vamos a repasar las respuestas. Lo que tienes que hacer es mirar y hay que pensar. ¿Es should o had? Debes siempre hacer gramática como si fuese un ejercicio de expresión oral, de speaking o de leer en voz alta. Después de repasar las respuestas, siempre hay que decir todo en voz alta. So, let's take a look. Here we have the answers. Let's say them out loud. Listen and repeat the phrases. Debes escuchar, poner el video en pause y repetir la frase con la misma entonación que yo. So, number 1. We should catch the bus to school today because it is raining. Very good. 2. We should use public transport more. Very good. 3. We had better walk more often in order to get fit. Very good. Number 4. We should buy a new car because this one is old. Very good. 5. We had better go on holiday with our parents until we are 18. Very good. 6. We had better take a break because we have been driving for a long time. Very good. 7. We should stay in a hotel near the beach. Very good. We had better travel by underground while we are in London. Very good. 9. We had better wait for the next bus because we have missed one that leaves at 7 o'clock. Very good. 10. We should go abroad on holiday every year if we can afford it. Very good. So here we have modal verbs. We need to review them and use both. Debes ir mezclando, utilizando las dos estructuras para llegar a tener más nivel. Let's review what we have learned today. The summary. How can we use advice? We can use should. You should listen to this advice. We can use had better. You had better listen to this advice. Or you can use it is a good idea. It is a good idea to listen to this advice. Now, how can we speak about holidays? When we talk about holidays, we can use modal verbs and we can say what we would like to do. I would like to go on holiday. I would like to visit the UK. I would like to travel by plane. Would like is a good way of using it. Now, how can we use modal verbs to improve our speaking? Modal verbs son súper fáciles, porque siempre pones bare infinitive después, en plan, el verbo sin más. Lo bueno de los modales es que también son el auxiliar. Así que cuando formulamos una pregunta, utilizamos el auxiliar. You should listen to me. Should you listen to me? You would like to go to Spain. Would you like to go to Spain? Así que los modales son súper fáciles y nunca cambian con el sujeto, ni con he, ni con she, ni con nadie. ¿Vale? Así que es muy fácil. So now, don't forget to join our Instagram and YouTube channel. No os olvidéis de apuntar. apuntaros a nuestro Instagram y también canal de YouTube, porque tenemos vídeos que podéis utilizar para mejorar vuestro speaking. If you have any questions, send me an email or a WhatsApp. Si tenéis cualquier duda, envíame un WhatsApp o un correo electrónico a esta dirección y resuelvo cualquier duda. So, thank you very much, everyone. See you in the next class.